I'm getting Brooklyn Hayes on Thursday, probably. We put in $10 for her. Hopefully we win. Because it's a bid. I hate bids. But anyways, let's get started. We're going to show you all of our cats. So where to? This one's a male. Two little kittens. Me. 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 And me. Oops. Ah! Oh well. I'll fix it later. Where did that cat go? Okay, well, anyway. Oops. Well, anyways. I have double of the orange cat. And then I have a few other ones, but they have nail polish. So don't judge me. My cousins did that. No. Oh, there he is. Bye. So, I'll make a video if I get her on Thursday. Buy my sparklers